Understanding Meat Tenderizer. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting phrase from the culinary world, meat tenderizer. This term might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means, both literally and in context. A meat tenderizer refers to two things, a tool and a substance. As a tool, it's a kitchen implement used to pound or pierce meat, making it softer and easier to chew. The substance, on the other hand, is a mixture of enzymes and acids that are applied to meat to achieve the same effect. Both the tool and the substance work to break down tough muscle fibers in the meat. Physical tenderizers. Physical tenderizers are tools like hammers or mallets. They have a flat or spiked surface and are used to pound meat, making it more tender. Chemical tenderizers. These are substances, usually in powder or liquid form, containing enzymes like papain or bromelain. When applied to meat, they help to soften it by breaking down the proteins. Understanding how to use a meat tenderizer is crucial. For the tool, it's important to pound evenly and not too harshly. For the substance, following the instructions on the packaging is key. It's usually sprinkled or rubbed onto the meat and left to marinate for a period of time. A common misconception is that meat tenderizers can make any cut of meat soft. While they help, the initial quality of the meat also plays a significant role. Over-tenderizing can also lead to a mushy texture, which is not desirable. And that's a wrap on Meat Tenderizer. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about cooking, I hope this video has shed some light on this culinary term. Remember, cooking is an art, and understanding your tools and ingredients is key to creating delightful dishes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!